they unfold. Cooking jollof and frying plantain. From Accra to Lagos, feel no pain. Stella Maris showed them how every dish makes the spirits bow. Stella Maris cuisine, let's go. Taste the love that makes us glow. Every bite a dream come true. African soul in every stew. Music plays the pot, it boils. Secrets in the sauce that oils every meal, a work of art. From the ancestors, a heartfelt chart. Beneath the stars or in the sun, cooking magic, everyone. From mother's hands to Stella's stove, taste the journey, find your grove. Stella Maris cuisine, let's go. Taste the love that makes us glow. Every bite a dream come true. African soul in every stew. From Accra to Lagos, feel no pain. Stella Maris showed them how every dish makes the spirits bow. Stella Maris cuisine, let's go. Taste the love that makes us glow. Every bite a dream come true. African soul in every stew. Stella Maris cuisine, let's go. Taste the love that makes us glow. Every bite a dream come true. African soul in every stew. Secrets in the sauce that oils every meal, a work of art. From the ancestors, a heartfelt joy. Meet the stars or in the sun, cooking magic, everyone. From mother's hands to Stella's stove, taste the journey, find your grove. Cooking up a feast in my kitchen wild and free. Jollof rice and stew coming, you will see. Spices blend so fine, you'll be asking why. Stella Maris cuisine taste will make you fly. From Lagos to the world, I bring flavors bold. Pepper soup so hot, you won't feel the cold. Yam porridge so sweet, fills you up complete. Every dish I make, gotta stand on their feet. Stella Maris cuisine, where you go to dine. Every single bite so tasty, so divine. African queen cooking up a storm. In my kitchen, love is always warm. Yam and a goosey on a Sunday night. Palm wine on the side, everything's just right. Burrito glowing green like the forest deep. Eat to your delight till you're off to sleep. Gariana farm soup might just change your day, leave you feeling good in a special way. From the heart of Africa to your very door, Stella Maris cuisine will have you craving more. Stella Maris cuisine, where you go to dine. Every single bite so tasty, so divine. African queen cooking up a storm. In my kitchen, love is always warm. Stella Maris cuisine, where you go to dine. Every single bite so tasty, so divine. African queen cooking up a storm. In my kitchen, love is always warm.